Thank you, Ms. Kisa. Now, Mr. Tarczynski, Dominik has 1 minute, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. We've got this very important discussion on this very important report, and what we could hear from Commissioner Jourova was that she's very happy about the ban, Netflix ban in Russia. Are you serious? Are you really serious? We need a ban on Russian oil and gas before you will have your satisfaction on Netflix ban. So before the discussion will turn into a grotesque, remember that Germany, so-called European leaders, are against the ban on Russian oil and gas. And money from the gas and oil will go to Russian army. And the Russian army will kill Ukrainian children. So before this discussion will turn into a grotesque, remember that Netflix is a joke. Ban on Netflix is a joke because people are dying. So we need a ban on Russian oil and gas now. And remember, it's Germany who is against it. And history will judge you again. Remember that. Thank you.